Good morning, class. As yesterday we have done the back exercises of poem The Snare by James Stephens in our course book. And I hope the exercises which we have done are clear to all of you. Now today we are going to start the work in our workbook. That is the English literature workbook which we are having. We are going to start with the poem The Snare in workbook on page number 55. In this workbook, we have been given the same exercises based on transitive and intransitive verb. And I hope I have explained you earlier also about the transitive and the intransitive verb. Now let me repeat it again, what are transitive and what are intransitive verb. The verb which has a direct object in it are the transitive verb, and the verb which does not have a direct object in it are the intransitive verb. For example, now let me give you example. The man ate the cake. What does the man eat? The cake. So in this, the cake is the object. That is the direct object. And what is the verb over here? That is the verb is ate. So in this the cake is the direct object. So this is the word ate has a direct object in it. So it is a transitive verb. And let us move to intransitive verb, that they are the verb which does not have a direct object in it are the intransitive verbs. For example, the children played. What are the word played over here is a verb, but we haven't been given what are the children playing. So we have not been given what are the children playing, whether they are playing badminton, whether they are playing basketball. We haven't been given that. So in this we don't know the direct object in it. So the word play is the intransitive verb over here. Now I hope the transitive and the intransitive verbs are clear to all of you. Now let us start with the exercises in workbook. Now let us start with the exercises of poem The Snare in workbook on page number 55. Put today's date. First exercise is underline the transitive verbs. Draw a circle round the direct object. You have to make a circle round the direct object. We saw the ships. Underline the words saw over here. B1 is the children asked question. Underline the word asked. C1, the dog and the cat played games. Underline the word played. D1 is the young girl sang a sweet song. Underline the word sang. The old man drank tea. So underline drank over here. And as we have underlined the transitive verbs, draw a circle round the direct object. You have to make the circle around the direct object. In first one, the direct object is ship. In B1, the direct object is question. C1, it is games. D1, it is song. And in E1, it is tea. You have to encircle it. Now let us move to the second exercise. In this, what you all have to do, write your own sentences. Follow the example. You have to make sentences of your own using this subject, transitive verb, object, anything more. One is already done for you. Gitanjali reads a book every day. You have to make the sentences like this only. In first one, B1, write Alex sent a postcard from Argentina. In C1, write, she left the keys on the table. D1, my father took me to the movie. E1 is me a dog. Now we have written sentences on our own. Let us move to another exercise. In this, fill in the blanks with the name of the countries. You have to fill in the blanks using the name of the countries. A1 is an Indian comes from. Indian comes from the name of the country, India. A German comes from the name of the country, Germany. An Italian comes from the name of the country, Italy. T1 is a Malaysian comes from the name of the country, Malaysia. A Russian comes from the name of the country, Russia. F1 is an American comes from the name of the country, America. G1 is an Egyptian comes from the name of the country, Egypt. The last is a Westland comes from. From where does the Westland comes from? It comes from United Kingdom. Now I hope these exercises are clear to all of you. Now what you all are going to do is you have to write these exercises in your workbook only. Don't write it in notebook. Use only pencil to write. Don't use pen to write in your books. Okay, now homework for you all is to learn the back exercises of poem The Snare by James Stephens. Thank you.